JT Mason! Yeah! Woo!
Friday Night Lights Season 4, Episode 1. It's Nick's senior year of football. Senior year. Fuck, he's gonna be out of school soon, dude. That's kind of scary.
Oh, yeah.
This is Reed, in case you guys didn't know. But we're gonna head over here. We're gonna try and get some, what up? I'm trying to get some footage over here on the other side, see what happens. And yes, I'm vlogging on my Flycam. If you could describe Kern Valley Bronx high school football in one word, what would it be?
Intense.
What about you?
Can I use 2 words? Small town. Small town fun. It's like what people do Friday nights. Families get together and come out and watch their kids play.
The whole town.
Hello. Hi. Oh, yes, this is a handsome fish.
That's your dad, man.
I know. But still.
The boys' last year of football, high school football. This is the last first game we'll ever be at, go to. Yeah, sad. Are you really?
I'm gonna cry.
Well, it's an emotional thing because like they're grown up, they're gonna leave like the house, they're never gonna come back.
I'm gonna be in tears.
They'll come back.
I'm trying to make you cry more. So if you could describe Kern Valley football in one word, what would it be?
I was just trying to do something different.
Since I'm a little shy, let's start off with Grandma. So it's Nick's last year of high school football.
Okay.
If you could describe Kern Valley football in one word, what would it be?
Painful in the blood.
That's like 4 words, I think. What about you guys?
I was gonna say my first time here, impressive.
Let's go! The boy JT is on the scene. You already know. Let's get it. Let's go. Hell yeah, JT! Hey, KB got heart. That's what KB got. Hey, Jay, pound it, man.
I almost fell over. Apparently Kern Valley has heart.
Why do so many people know you?
Because I'm infamous. It's not the same as famous. If you could describe Kern Valley football in one word, what would it be?
I think that they are decent.
Decent?
Yeah, that's my word.
What about you? Kern Valley football in one word, how would you describe it?
Best. They're amazing.
2 words, but we'll let it go.
5 words. Like, no.
5.
I don't know. This team is amazing.
And describe Kern Valley football in one word, what would it be?
Hard working.
Hard working. That's a good one.
That's
Nobody's
2 words.
No, because
That's 2 words.
No, if you put it together, it's okay.
You separated
John and Sarah, Sarah and John, Sarah, John, John, Sarah. If you could describe high school football, Kern Valley football in one word, what would it be? What would you choose?
Time consuming.
Expensive. They sound like a couple of parents or something. Here, it's right. Pound it. So it's almost the end of the third quarter. There's like, I don't know, 15 seconds left or something. And Nick just got ejected from the game. Any personal fouls, I guess. The coach was yelling that they've had 7. 7.
There you go.
Well, we just wanted to make sure you put up the extra 2 so they know it's.
7.
2 for you.
Chris is talking to Chris and them because he got ejected this game. He'll be suspended the next game too.
Ooh, buddy.
That's right, huh?
So the next home game.
Yep, that's right. So it's 22-18 into the third quarter. Taft's catching up. Didn't even see the penalty.
I was wondering if he was going to call.
Can you come into the bleachers at all? But you know that means you're suspended the next game. But because he got kicked out, they won't even let him in the stadium. He has to stand way over there. Way over there in the damn bleachers. Or the other side of the fence. He can't even come up to the bleachers. You went and saw Nick. He's outside the gate because he got kicked out. What did he say?
He said, "Fuck this shit." No, I'm just playing. He just said that he was trying to strip the ball from the kid and he got ejected for it.
There goes the lead.
Yeah.
Tackle him!
Well, that's it. The end of the game. Taft came back and beat us 24-22.
I don't know what to say. What do I say? Even though we had a tough break, we still fought to the end, and go Bronx.
Nick saw. I'm going to have to run a lot.
Did he just take off? And oh no, he's over here. I don't think he's going to want to be on camera. Oh my God, you smell. Didn't you have something you wanted to do?
What are you going to do?
She wanted to do something. Yeah, you did. You said you wanted to close the video.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Wait.